In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage different profiles in the Brave browser on your computer. Whether you're looking to separate your work and personal browsing activities or just want to organize things a bit more neatly, setting up profiles can be a game changer. So, let's dive right in and make sure you can effortlessly switch between various browsing contexts. First, start by opening the Brave browser on your computer. Look towards the top right corner of the window, where you usually see either your avatar, your name, or perhaps just a silhouette. This is your profile icon, and it's your gateway to managing and adding new profiles. If you can't see it right away, you might have the menu button instead, represented by 3 horizontal lines or dots. Go ahead and click on that to reveal a drop-down menu where you'll find an option labeled Profile, or sometimes Switch Person. Once you're in this section, you'll be looking to add a new profile. In the drop-down that appears, you'll see an option to Add a Profile, or it may say Add New Profile. Select it, and a dialog box will pop up on your screen, ready for you to set up your new browsing environment. Now, you'll need to enter a name for this new profile. You might want to choose something descriptive like Work, Gaming, or Kids, depending on how you plan to use it. This name will help you stay organized and know at a glance which profile you are using. After naming your profile, the next step is to personalize it a bit by choosing a color or an avatar icon. This visual touch not only helps you distinguish between profiles, but also adds a bit of personality to your browser. At this stage, you might be prompted with an option to sign in or sync your new profile. This is entirely up to you. Syncing can be incredibly useful if you want the profile to share bookmarks, history, and other browser settings across multiple devices. If this sounds like an advantage to you, go ahead and sign in or enable syncing. Otherwise, you can skip this step. Once everything feels just right with your new profile, go ahead and click Done or Create. Your Brave browser will now open a fresh window under this newly established profile, ready to support your specific needs, whether it's diving into a work project or indulging in some relaxation while gaming. Switching between these profiles is just as simple as creating one. Just click on the profile icon anytime and select the profile you wish to use from the list that appears. And there you have it. You're now all set to efficiently manage and switch between different profiles in Brave. Thank you for watching, and happy browsing.